Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to discuss something about natural remedies for sinusitis. Sinusitis, this is a kind of medical condition, and people with sinusitis, this problem, they may face facial pressure, nasal congestion, headache, etc. Means, in such a case, in most of the cases, actually most of the people immediately turn to medications. But instead of taking medications, other ways are also available, and one of those ways is Anulom-Vilom Pranayama. This is an ancient ancient yogic technique, not medical, yogic technique. Okay, in yogic practices, these are taught. Ancient yogic technique known as Anulom-Vilom. Okay, Anulom-Vilom, this is a Sanskrit word. Two words are there, Anulom and Vilom. Anulom-Vilom Pranayama. Anulom means with the grain, or in the normal order, Anulom, and the meaning of the word Vilom in reverse order. Means actually here in this case, in this practice, what is done, alternate nostrils are used for breathing. Both inhalation and exhalation are done. So first, let's talk about sinusitis. This is a problem. This is a medical condition, and patients suffering from this problem. This is not a severe problem, but in severe cases, this technique should not be used. Okay, means parallelly you can use this technique, but in case of severe or chronic cases of sinusitis, you should consult a healthcare professional. Okay, but in mild cases, you can only go for this technique. This technique is truly beneficial for the problem of sinusitis. Okay. Anyway, so actually alternate nostrils are used both for inhalation and exhalation. This way this prevents infection in your respiratory system. Yes, this is capable. This yogic technique is capable of preventing infection in your respiratory system. So first, let's talk about sinusitis. What is sinusitis? Actually, from sinuses, the problem sinusitis comes into play. What are sinuses? Sinuses are nothing but air cavities in our skull, and these air cavities become inflamed, leading to nasal congestion, facial pressure, infection, mucus buildup, etc. So many problems are associated, so many symptoms are associated with this kind of problem, that means sinusitis. So in such a case, you can go for this yogic practice, this yogic technique known as Anulom-Vilom Pranayama. Always pranayama, this word is not used, only Anulom-Vilom. This is sufficient to indicate this yogic technique. This is not only good for your sinusitis problem, but also it's good for your breathing, it's good for your overall well-being. So what is the technique actually? In this technique, when you are practicing this technique, in that case you need to sit comfortably. Means you need to sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. Means your spine should be vertical. Okay, so your spine should be straight. In that posture, you need to sit. Then use your right hand like this. This is my right hand. Use your right hand, and that is thumb. This one is thumb. With your thumb, you close the right nostril this way, and inhale through your left nostril. Means this one. Deeply, right, like this. Okay, then what you need to do? This was the first step. Then with your ring finger, this is known as ring finger, okay, just beside the little finger, ring finger is there. With your ring finger, you close the left nostril this way, right? Close the left nostril and through your right nostril you exhale, right? This is the way. And in the next step, you do just the opposite. So this was the position in the last step, in the second step. In the third step, you again close, you again inhale through this right nostril. When the left nostril is closed by your ring finger, okay, the tip of the ring finger you are using to close the left nostril, and through the right nostril, you inhale deeply. After inhalation is complete, you close the right nostril with your thumb and then exhale through your left nostril. So this is the way you need to practice Anulom-Vilom, right? And what you need to do? You need to practice this technique 5 to 10 minutes daily, not only for the problem of sinusitis, but also for comfortable breathing and for overall well-being. Okay, and you should sit always in a place where fresh air is available. Then that will be best for you. Okay, so I have already mentioned that this is normal, whether you are suffering from this problem or not. You may continue this practice every day, just for 5 to 10 minutes every day. That is sufficient. And this technique detoxifies your respiratory system, so that is no doubt good for your problems related to respiratory system such as breathing. If you are suffering from breathing trouble, okay, means people may suffer from difficulty breathing in case of sinusitis. Again, it clears the nasal passages, it enhances the airflow, circulation. So anyway, the problems related to sinusitis, all the problems means this technique works as a remedy from all kinds of problems related to sinusitis. Okay, and even if you are not suffering from this problem, you may continue this because this is really good for your health, for your overall well-being. And I have already mentioned that if you are really suffering from severe sinusitis problem or chronic sinusitis problem, in that case you must consult a healthcare professional. Okay, in that case you should not rely on only this technique. Okay, anyway, so this was all about today's topic, Anulom-Vilom as a natural remedy for sinusitis. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.